In the land of fire and ice, where winter rules the land, the winds of change will carry us to a new world. In this place, where the world seems to stand still, we find ourselves anew.
With each step we take, we move farther from the world we left behind. We escape the rush of modern life and the chaos that surrounds us. Here, we find peace in the stillness of nature and the gentle hum of the road.
The road is our companion, our guide, our friend. It takes us to places we've never been, shows us things we've never seen. It leads us to the edge of the world and beyond. We are but travelers in this world, wandering through the snow and the ice, seeking the beauty that lies hidden beneath the surface. We are explorers, adventurers, and dreamers, seeking a new path, a new life, a new horizon.
As the sun rises over the frozen landscape, we feel the warmth of hope and the promise of a new day. We stand at the edge of infinity, looking out over the vast expanse of nature's beauty, and we are humbled by its majesty. In this world of ice and snow, we find the warmth of our own souls. We find the courage to face the unknown, the strength to endure the cold, and the wisdom to see the beauty in all things. And as we look up at the stars, we see the universe in all its glory. We feel the weight of our own insignificance, and we are lifted up by the knowledge that we are all but a small part of a greater whole. So let us travel, let us wander, let us explore the world of wonder.
Let us find ourselves in the stillness of nature, and let us be forever changed by the beauty that surrounds us. For in the end, it is not the destination that matters, but the journey itself.